Well, hey y'all, why don't you come in and stay a while? We are fixing to explain some quintessential Southern phrases. Southern phrases are like episodes of Grey's Anatomy. They never run out. Y'all, I never drop Southern phrases. Do I? I mean, is y'all technically a Southern phrase? Jury's still out. Today I am doing a deep dive into quintessential Southern phrases. Keep watching till the end because we saved the best for last. This is the tea. Number 5, well, Swanee. Sometimes Southern jargon sounds like a different language to folks not from around here. Huh? And this is no exception. Swanee refers to the word swear as in a curse word, which is why Southern people took it upon themselves to eliminate it entirely from their vocabulary. Instead of saying the word swear, it was changed to swan or Swanee, which suggested a situation was serious enough to curse at, but never enough to say the word swear. There are also theories that this word could be geographical and refer to the Swanee River running through Florida or the small town of Swanee in Tennessee. I got it exactly right. Pin the nail on the head. Well, Swanee, y'all. Same thing as well, I be dang. Number 4, then Carter has pills. While this Southern phrase may be commonly used, you might have never really understood what it meant. When someone says he has more problems than Carter has pills, or they have more money than Carter has pills, it's referring to Carter's Little Liver pills, which was patented in 1868 and extremely popular. Apparently, these pills were heavily advertised and distributed, which eventually spawned this now mainstream phrase. Honestly, the whole point of that is, what is a liver pill? Do I even really want to know? No. Number 3, worn slap out. The phrase worn slap out refers to being mentally or physically exhausted and not being able to go on. Many people associate it with the phrase dog tired, which sounds like a separate Southern phrase in and of itself. We're not exactly sure of the origins of this phrase, but we'll be sure to drop it in the next time we hit a spin class. Really, just putting on the leggings to go to said workout class makes me worn slap out, but that's a different story for a different day. Moving on. Number 2, drunk as a coot. Not only is this phrase fun to say, but this Southern phrase has a very interesting story. Coot is actually referring to a man named Cooter Brown who lived near the Mason-Dixon line during the Civil War. He had ties to both the Union and Confederate armies and did not wish to serve on either side. So his solution was to stay drunk through the entirety of the Civil War, ensuring he would never be drafted. If someone refers to a person as drunk as a coot, you might want to grab them a cup of coffee because the Civil War was 4 years long. Woo, y'all. Drunk as a coot. I have many stories, but I don't think that's really appropriate for the internet today, so moving on. Number 1, bless your heart. Our favorite Southern phrase and one of the most confusing to outsiders since we can use it to convey sympathy or as an insult. It's all in the tone. Here's an example. Say you're telling a Southern friend about your awful day and she responds sweetly, "Oh, bless your heart." That means she really feels for you, is going to pray for you, and probably bring you a casserole. But beware of this next example. Let's say you respond to that bad day by getting bangs, and the first thing your friend says when she sees you is, "Oh, bless your heart." That means, honey, you do not have the bone structure for bangs. You need to grow that out stat. This phrase dominates the Southern vernacular and shows we are caring, hospitable people. But cross us and our backhanded comment or insult will still sound sweet as pie, because Southerners do not act ugly. At least not blatantly. Well, I really enjoyed this. Hope y'all did too. Be sure to keep watching the tea. Thanks for watching, y'all, and be sure to subscribe to get more spilling of the tea.